Hey, it's Sarah from the Bourbon Bell. I'm live from the bathroom. This is my life. I'm really insecure about my boyfriend overhearing me because shooting videos is really embarrassing. Anyway, speaking of embarrassing, if you watched any of the presidential debates, more specifically the first one, you were probably just enamored by the wonderful choices that we have here. You know, it was kind of like two kids fighting over a shovel in a sandbox. Kind of like stubbing your toe and biting your tongue at the same time. Really similar to like two drunk girls slap fighting. A little like two turds trying to make a bigger stain on the toilet paper. Kind of like watching your dog vomit, eat it, lick its butt, and then try to kiss you. So that being said, you might be left wondering who the heck you're supposed to vote for. I thought I'd look up to see what the candidates' favorite drinks were. As it turns out, neither Biden nor Trump drink. So what I did was go back into the history of presidents, pulled all the presidents that drank whiskey or bourbon or the like, and found out their affiliated parties. So maybe this can kind of help us make a decision on who to vote for. So without further ado, we're going to honor each of these lovely presidents and these fellow bourbon lovers with a drink. All right, so number one, Andrew Jackson. You know him from the Moneys, Democratic, bourbon lover. Martin Van Buren, Democratic, also a whiskey lover. Franklin Pierce. Don't know a lot about this guy other than that he was a Democrat. Cheers. Teddy Roosevelt. Everybody knows Teddy Roosevelt. Republican. Oh, God. If you're keeping up with this, we are 3 Democratic bourbon-loving presidents to 1 Republican bourbon-loving president. All right. Number 5, William McKinley. Republican. Bourbon lover. Can't feel my tongue. Number 6, LBJ. Everybody knows LBJ. Democrat. Likes a scotch and whiskey and bourbon. Number 7, Harry Truman. Democrat. Cheers. There were a couple others on the list. They were from the Whig Party and some like nationalist party, yada yada. I was a little too lazy to look up like whose beliefs those were more affiliated with, but I will leave you the link in the comments so you can look that up yourself and also see what all the presidents like to drink. It was actually a really fun history lesson. So if you're keeping score, we've got 7 presidents that I've identified that like whiskey, bourbon, scotch, the like. 5 of those are Democratic presidents. 2 of them are Republican presidents. I mean, I don't know what that means exactly. I am here to share the information to you so you can make a logical decision when you go to the polls. So, all right. This has been a really nice lesson. I really appreciate you coming. Thank you for joining me in the bathroom studio. I'm going to finish this. Cheers. Happy voting. Henry Truman. Harry Truman. Harry. 7 sips is a lot. I need some dinner. I should probably eat. Like 2-player hungry hippo. Like Pong, but with a lot more wrinkles.